Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Beauty and the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping in, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm going to do a comparison between two of the newest mascaras out right now. The first one is the Dark Star Mascara by Pat McGrath, and the second one is the Lash Freak Mascara by Urban Decay Cosmetics. So if you're interested to see the difference between the two, continue watching this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments in the comments section. Let me know what you think, and let me know what your favorite mascara is. I don't have one. And let's get started. So the Dark Star Mascara is the mascara that Pat McGrath had been teasing us with. It's finally out, it's finally here. It comes in a gold tube with the pink Pat McGrath Labs writing on it, and it retails for $30. You can now get it at Sephora, I believe, as well as on her website. Just to read a description of the mascara from her website, it says, get ready for this description. This instantly volumizing formulation delivers intergalactic glamour, anti-gravity lift, and luxurious length with maximum impact and control. Pitch black microfine cream pigments teleport eyes, layering each lash with lavish volume and exaggerated extraterrestrial effects. Lashes are immediately fuller, stretched, and more defined, reaching beyond the stratosphere with ethereal structure and shape. The contour brush silhouette features dense, strategically placed fibers in varying lengths that grab every lash, elevating all with otherworldly allure. Lashes are pushed up, sculpted, and loaded with texture from the root outward for intense inky volume with every coat. Whew. Okay, like, that was a lot. All right, so basically this mascara it's gonna teleport you to another galaxy apparently. So I'm really excited to try this. Now let's move on to Urban Decay. The Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara comes in this neon green tube. It retails for $25, and you can get it from the Urban Decay website, Sephora, or Ulta. So let's hear the description of this one. Unleash your freak. Get the boldest lashes of your life with every swipe of Lash Freak's dramatically volumizing and lengthening mascara. This ultra pigmented flake-proof mascara creates 23.6 times more volume and 40% more visible length for the boldest lashes. Now I want to know how they came up with these percents. All right, let's keep going. The asymmetrical brush was designed to load every eyelash with the max amount of formula for extra volume and definition. The tip defines and separates even the tiniest of individual lashes, while the curved side adds lift at the lash root. The intensely black longwear formula lasts up to 20 hours. It's smudge-proof and sweat-proof. Okay. Let's just get into the comparison. So this eye's gonna be Pat McGrath. This eye's gonna be Urban Decay. Let's see what we think. Zoom in. And of course, there's the how to use section. So, application. Holding the wand horizontally, firmly push into the roots of your upper lash line to deposit a major dose of pigment, wiggling left and right as you pull the wand towards the tips of the lashes. Turn your wand vertically and use the brush to separate and style the lashes in place. And remember from my other video, back it up, wiggle, and drop it low. Okay, here is the wand. All right, let's see, because I'm trying to go to outer space. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, mascara is not like my thing as far as knowing what mascara is good and what isn't. Like, I really have a hard time with that. So when I say leave me some comments on what you think, please leave me some comments on what you think, because I don't know. Is $30 worth it? You know, I will follow Pat McGrath almost anywhere, but I'm also not trying to like waste money. So like, y'all let me know what y'all think. And how many coats is enough? Like 3 coats maybe? So it says do that. I'm wiggling. I'm not gonna drop it low just yet though. And then it says turn the See, this is where I'm gonna be messy. Turn it vertically. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. A lot of my mascara comes from, you know, like CVS or something, so. No, you know what? I do like the Too Faced, the Better Than Sex mascara, but I don't know. I could still go with drugstore mascara. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna do the Lash Freak. I'm sorry about this camera view or whatever, but I just wanted to get close. All right, so now this is a very interesting wand, which is kind of why I wanted it. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but there are bristles on the front, and there are these bristles right here on the back, I guess, to get the other lashes. I don't know. All right, so let's look at the directions. Okay, use the asymmetrical bristle side to coat every lash with mascara for instant volume and definition. Use the budding tip of the brush for extra definition by separating and coating individual lashes, and also for coating the bottom lashes. Flip the brush and press the curved side against the lash root for added lift and curl. Okay. I'm confused. All right, here we go. See, I don't need this. Like, I just give me something regular. Okay. I don't know. Like, I don't feel anything for either of these. Okay, I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this and we'll come back with the final result. Oh my God. Y'all, am I doing something wrong? Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Okay, so I don't really know what to say. I don't know if this is good or bad. I don't really have a preference for either one. And yeah, I think the jury's kind of still out. What I can definitely say for sure is I don't know if I need to spend this much money on mascara. Like, if I'm not gonna love it, that means I don't need to buy it. So, you know, I guess they're nice to have, but I don't feel like they're must-haves. I am a Pat McGrath lover, but when it comes to mascara, like I said, for me, I don't know. I don't have one where I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is like my favorite one. So definitely let me know what your favorite mascara is in the comment section. I would really, really like to know. And I would also like to know if you have either of these, what you think about them. And that's really all I've got. Oh, don't forget, I am announcing the winner to the Raw Beauty Christie palette giveaway on Sunday. So just make sure you go back and watch my review of that palette so that if you want to enter the giveaway, you know exactly what to do. And you can enter as late as 7 o'clock on Saturday, July 31st. So I just wanted to say that as a reminder because the week is flying by. But as always, you know, I appreciate you guys coming to my channel and hanging out with me, and hopefully you have a good time watching me because I have a great time watching this and chatting with you guys when I do premiere the videos. And yeah, I really love it. So please, again, make sure you're taking care of yourself, treating yourself well, talking to yourself in a nice way, not being judgmental or hard on yourself. And we will come together in the next video. Bye.